Are cloud architects in danger of being replaced by AI? Welcome back to Digital Transformer Guy. Can AI replace cloud architects and other leading technology stakeholders? Today, we're exploring one of the most important shifts in technology careers, how cloud architects can evolve into AI-enabled solution strategists. This is the future of enterprise IT, and if you're in cloud, AI, or digital transformation, you'll want to watch this till the end. Part 1. The risk of AI shadow IT. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. Large language models can hallucinate, generating steps or procedures that don't exist. If those get used in production, you've just created AI shadow IT. Shadow IT happens when teams adopt tools outside of official governance. Now, with AI, it's easier than ever for hallucinations to sneak in. The result? Compliance risks, security gaps, and operational drift. The fix? Guardrails. Force AI to stick to approved runbooks, audit every AI step, and make sure the automation reflects real approved actions. That's how we keep AI powerful but safe. Part 2. Predictive Scaling Example. Let's get practical. When I worked as an enterprise solution architect for a nationwide accounting firm, we faced predictable workload spikes every April 15th and during quarterly IRS deadlines. Reactive scaling only spun up servers once CPU thresholds were hit, which was too late. Customers felt the lag. Predictive scaling, on the other hand, learns from history and pre-scales before the spike. ROI example: always on provisioning, $6 million per year. Reactive scaling, $4.5 million, but still downtime risks. Predictive scaling, $4 million, optimized and reliable. That's AI in the cloud, delivering real financial impact. Part 3. AI in Cloud Reference Architecture. One of the best ways to show leadership is by publishing AI in Cloud reference architectures. Take banking customer service, for example. Call centers are overwhelmed with repetitive questions. What if we built an AI assistant? Generative AI with retrieval augmented generation answers questions. Sentiment analysis detects frustration and escalates to humans. APIs connect to account data. Private inference ensures compliance. Predictive scaling keeps things smooth during spikes. Business outcomes: 30% fewer calls, 20% higher customer satisfaction, predictable cloud spend, compliance-ready AI. When you publish architectures like this, you're not just an engineer. You're showing how AI plus cloud drive measurable business outcomes. Part 4. Talking ROI to executives. Executives don't want diagrams. They want outcomes. So how do you speak their language? Well, there's cost optimization. AI FinOps reduces cloud waste. Performance. Predictive scaling prevents outages. Productivity. AI-assisted coding speeds up releases by 20 to 30%. Risk reduction. AI threat detection avoids multi-million-dollar breaches. Sustainability. AI workload placement cuts energy spend and boosts ESG. This is how you position IT not as a cost center, but as a business enabler, and that's important. Part 5. Becoming an AI-enabled solution strategist. This is where the new title comes in. AI-enabled solution strategist. A cloud architect knows how to deploy, but an AI-enabled solution strategist? They know how to translate AI into ROI stories, design governance guardrails, publish reference architectures, and align AI with compliance and business outcomes. That's how you become a trusted advisor, not just a tech lead, not just a nerd. Call to action. So here's the takeaway. Don't just deploy AI in the cloud. Strategize it, govern it, showcase it. That's how you evolve into an AI-enabled solution strategist and stand out in the enterprise world. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with your team. And check out Digital Transformer Guy for more strategies at the intersection of AI, cloud, and business value. and watch out for our upcoming ebook, Digital Treasure Trove for Enterprise Solution Architects. Take care.